All right, it's going. Yes, it was funny. Nice dance moves, Raylan. Rebecca, there's nothing to watch yet. You have to do something. Be careful, don't fall. Careful! I think this is an accident waiting to happen. Riley, what are you doing? No, Riley needs to do something. You girls did a good job. Riley, what are you going to do? Like a daddy? Do daddies spin? Careful, Rebecca. Rebecca, I don't want you falling down the stairs. Stop. Okay, we're done. Where's my...